Hello everybody, today we're going to multiply rational expressions then simplify if we can. Now the way we're going to multiply rational expressions like this, you can either multiply first then simplify or simplify then multiply. I would recommend you simplify first then multiply. Now before we can simplify, we need to factor each numerator and denominator. So let's do this. The numerator is x squared minus 16. Now, x squared minus 16 is the difference of square. If you recall, if you have a squared minus b squared, that's the same as a minus b times a plus b. Now, x squared minus 16 is the square of 4, so it's 4 squared. So this is your a and this is your b. So you have x minus 4 times x plus 4. So the numerator of the first rational expression becomes x minus 4 times x plus 4. Now, factoring the denominator, you have x squared minus 10x plus 24. X squared, that means we have x here and x here. We have two numbers whose product is positive 24, but whose sum is negative 10. Now, since the product is positive, so they must, and the middle term is negative, they must be both negative. Now, the two numbers I can think about are x6 and 4. Negative 6 times negative 4 gives me positive 24. Negative 6 minus 4 is negative 10x. So this is the correct factoring here. Times. Let's factor this one here. So I have x squared minus 7x plus 6. Again, I have only x squared, so I have x here and x here. 6, two numbers whose product is positive 6 and whose sum is negative 7. The only thing we can think about is 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. But the product is positive and the middle term is negative, so they must be both negative. You can check them out for sure. Negative 6x minus x is negative 7x. Or you can think about it, negative 6 minus 1 is negative 7. Negative 6 times negative 1 is positive 6. Divided by, there's nothing to factor here, x plus 4. Now, we factored. So now what we can do is we can simplify any common factors in the numerator and the denominator. So you can only simplify the common factors from the numerator and the denominator. Okay, you can go ahead and simplify here. You don't need to multiply, but if you have to, we can do that. Here, times, or you don't have to do even this stuff. So x minus 4, do I have any x minus 4 in the denominator? Since this is in the numerator, it has to be in the denominator that you can cancel. So yes, x minus 4, and I have x minus 4 in the denominator. X plus 4 in the numerator, and I have x plus 4 in the denominator. They cancel out, right? So when you cancel them out, there's going to be 1. So you are dividing the same common factor. So whenever you divide the same number, x minus 4 divided by x minus 4, that's going to give you 1. So that's what we have here. And anything else canceled out? Well, I have x minus 6 in the numerator here, and I have x minus 6 in the denominator. That cancel out. So what are you left with? 1 times x minus 1. So it's x minus 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. You don't have to, you can skip that step. The answer is x minus 1. We just simplified first, then multiplied. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.